Now let us discuss about, or let us recall back the moment of a force constant. Okay. So when we speak of moment of a force, actually I will segregate it with respect to a point and then with respect to a line, a given line. Okay. So with respect to a point, say this point I say as or mark as O. So how do we do it? Suppose this is my O, and whichever, say this one, I consider P as a point of application of the force F. So this point, with respect to which we are trying to find out the moment, we consider it a fixed point, right? So we consider it as a origin. So the point P is the point of application of F. As you may see, P, our force vector F is acting at this point. Okay, so OP becomes your position vector. That means this R. Then how do we calculate the moment? Moment is nothing but R, moment of F with acting at P with respect to O is equals to R cross F. And you know how to calculate R cross F. If you simply, if I say R equals to, in Cartesian coordinate system, and if I take that, means I am now adding all these axes here, this one, and this one down, this one, and say this one, X, Y, Z axis, and R is some point X, Y, Z, this point P is some X, Y, Z, and F is, as we have seen, we can decompose it. So if it's F, Y, F, Z, then R cross F is easy to calculate, just like as any cross product of two vectors. So that means I can write it as I, J, K, X, Y, Z, and then Fx, Fy, Fz, so that you can easily find out. This is nothing but these three components. What are the components? Yfz minus zfy along our axis, that means the x-axis, plus this xfz minus xfz plus zfx along y-axis, that is j. The last one is xfy minus yfx along z-axis, that means k. Okay, so this is the moment with respect to a point. Now, let us come to the next case. That means this one, with respect to a line.